your pelvic floor on your back. Roll up. Exhale. The last one, roll up and drop. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be having a gentle morning yoga flow to wake your whole body up and get you started. Guys, this yoga is going to be very short, but very important. Okay, so guys, we're going to be starting out with child's pose. And that's your just want that starting pose where we're leaning out, inhale and exhale. Take 5 deep breaths, inhaling and exhale. Take 5 breaths, inhale and exhale. We're going to go to downward facing dog, lifting up our hips and stretching as needed. Now guys, you're going to walk your feet forward and take your right hand over to your left ankle, leaping towards your left armpit and just stretching out. 3 breaths. 2 and switch. Go over to the other side. Stay for 3 breaths. And back to downward dog. Once you lengthen out, you're going to walk your feet to your arms and take foot forward all the way head down. Halfway lift, lengthen out. So you're stretching your hamstrings all the way from your glutes down here. Sweep up in mountain pose all the way lengthen. Stay here for 5 breaths. Foot forward. Halfway lift and downward dog. Push your shoulders away. Start at the warrior 1, inhale. Extended warrior, exhale. Warrior 1, inhale. And downward dog, exhale. 9. Left foot forward, inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, extend it. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, down dog. 9. We're going to do it again faster now. Right foot forward. Inhale, warrior 1. Lift. Exhale, extend. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, down dog. Faster on the other side. Inhale. Warrior 1. Exhale, extend. Inhale, warrior 1. Downward dog. Good job. Push your shoulders away from the wrist. And now we're going to come into dolphin pose for our first stretch. Okay. Walk your feet forward such that your heels are over your head. And just pump those energy all up in your arms. Your tricep is burning. 3 more. 2. Push back up in downward dog. 9. Let's take our next set of vinyasa flows. Right foot forward. Inhale, warrior 2. Lengthen. Your right foot is facing north. 12. This one is facing 9. Open. Reverse your warrior. Inhale. Exhale back to warrior 2. High. Downward dog. Sorry. Left foot forward. Inhale, warrior 2. So guys, your left leg is facing north. Open. Reverse your warrior. All the way sink into the glutes. Lengthen. Back to warrior 2. Inhale. And downward facing dog. Exhale. So guys, we're going to repeat this flow one more time. Take your right foot forward. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, reverse your warrior. Inhale, back to warrior 2. Exhale, downward dog. Left foot forward. Inhale. Warrior 2 on the left, open. Exhale, reverse. Inhale, warrior 2 again. Exhale, downward dog. Good job. To finish up, we're going to come into dolphin pose again and wake up our upper body by walking our hips over. For 5, 4, let your hands burn. 3, 2, and 1. Downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to go to complete opening, half pigeon on the right. Open and surrender. Nice work, everybody. 5 breaths. Surrender for 4, 3, 2, 1. Lengthen out, lengthen out, lengthen. And I want to plant your hands on the mat, lift up and arch your back. Lengthen. Just allow the hips to feel the stretch. Take 2 breaths. And downward facing dog. Nice one. So guys, we're gonna go to left foot, half pigeon on the left. Sit. All the way surrender. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At your back, lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sweep all the way down here. Double pigeon on the right hand side. Lift up. Get taller, and bounce forward. We're going to stay here for 5 breaths. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All the way, drop down, lift back up, lift, get taller, and exhale back. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now guys, we're going to come into a bridge position. Inhale, you're going to lift up. Exhale, you're going to come down. So guys, you're going to roll the hip, and drop back down. All right? Let's go. Inhale, roll up. Exhale. Inhale, roll up again. Exhale. Using your pelvic floor on your back, roll up. Exhale. The last one, roll up and drop. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So good job, guys. After we finish with that, we're going to come into wheel pose. So beginners, you're going to drop your head on the mat. Intermediate lift up. Advance. Walk your hands forward and just lengthen. Slowly drop back down head. And then we're going to catch our breath in butterfly. And then go to shoulder stand. You're going to support your lower back. Support your lower back. And just lengthen out for 5, 4, 3, 2, and go to plow pose. Lengthen in front of you. And death man's pose. Slowly come back down to shoulder stand. And down. Down is drop. And take Shavasana. Good job, everybody. Now your energy level is up. You just need to slow down, and slow down.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed today's practice. Do not forget we're sharing the gift of yoga every day all through Christmas. And guys, turn on your post notifications, subscribe, and so you know when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching our morning yoga flow to the end. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.